Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your laptop's OS and updates so features work predictably. Once confirmed, choose a method: built-in picture-in-picture for video, an always-on-top toggle, or PowerToys fancy zones for custom floats. Open the app or browser tab you want to float and position it roughly where it should appear. Next, enable the chosen feature now. For example, right-click the video and select picture-in-picture, or run PowerToys and enable Always on Top. This gets you into the process quickly and reliably. You now make the window float and fine-tune behavior. If you used picture-in-picture, trigger it from the video player menu. It creates a small Always on Top window you can drag. If you chose PowerToys, enable Always on Top and press the shortcut to pin the active window. Verify fancy zones if you prefer grid snaps. Adjust size and transparency so the floating window doesn't block important content. Make sure to test shortcuts and save the layout if your tool supports persistent profiles for repeated use. You finish by locking in the workflow and preparing for common problems. Save your layout or add the utility to startup so the floating window returns after reboot. Assign a simple shortcut to toggle pin and practice it once. If the float won't stay on top, restart the app and utility, confirm accessibility or overlay permissions, and update drivers or the tool. If that still fails, try an alternative method. For example, switch from PyP to PowerToys, because different apps behave differently on each OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.